Terminals can look intimidating, but their visibility makes them the best way to work with agents, because you can see exactly what they're doing. Terminal agents aren't just for coding. They can handle knowledge work as well as, or better than, general-purpose AI assistants, while giving you far more control. You avoid product lock-in, which not only means switching AI providers easily, but also using different models interchangeably wherever each performs best. With Agent Operator HQ in rack.com, a spare machine becomes an always-on system for multiple agents. Open the same session, through the same interface, from your desktop, phone, tablet, or glasses. There is nothing to reload. It opens instantly, exactly where you left it. It is the easiest way to manage a fleet of agents.